Got bent glasses? Everyone bends their glasses at some point, so today I'm gonna teach you how to fix them with tools you probably already have. First things first, what kind of material are your glasses made of? Is it a nylon plastic or a metal frame? If it's metal, you're gonna need a pair of needle nose pliers. Gently bend the frame back into place using small, careful adjustments. Always hold the frame firmly so you don't put any extra pressure on them. If you're worried about scratching, I recommend putting a microfiber cloth in between the frame and the pliers to minimize contact. For plastic frames, we're gonna need a little heat. I recommend using a hair dryer on low to medium heat. Blow the heat directly towards the bent part of the frame for about 30 seconds, then slowly bend it back into shape, again with small adjustments. Take your time because rushing can cause some cracking. All right, once you've made your adjustments, it's time to check our work with a bench alignment test. Place your glasses upside down, then right side up on a flat surface. In each orientation, all four corners of the frame should evenly touch the flat surface, ensuring that it's perfectly level. That's it. With a little bit of patience, you can fix any pair of glasses at home in a matter of minutes. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tips about glasses every week. And if your glasses are damaged beyond repair, visit us on our website where we can hook you up with a brand new pair of glasses in no time.